Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with embellishments on the 11th. I just totally missed last month. Work has been nuts. I did all these classes, craft classes, and it just took up so much of my time that I just totally forgot about it. So I planned ahead a little bit better, and I am doing my embellishments on the 11th video. I kind of made it. So I'm using the Not Too Shabby Shop Gingerbread, I think it's Hugs, Kisses, I don't know, bundle. And so that bundle, it did also come with a stencil, which I'm not using right now for this project, but the Gingerbread Kisses paper, this is the Gingerbread Hugs stamp set. It's probably how I got confused, so I don't know which one it's called. The ephemera. So ephemera is always a great thing to use when you're doing embellishments because they're quick, they're easy. They tend to have a lot of elements that you need. And then I'm also using this stamp set, which is from Pink and Maine. This is I'm trying to find a couple other pieces I need. This is a kind of a postage stamp. And so I've done them with circles. Now we're doing them with, I guess it's a rectangle, not really a square. And so, you can make embellishments, of course, out of everything. So I'm going to show you how I made them out of these postage stamp dies. So what I did was I just cut them out of the various papers, and then I kind of just laid out what I kind of wanted. So I had a combination of ephemera and stamped and colored images. I stamped and colored these with Copics. And then I've got some other little things that I might want to decorate with, including some enamel dots and then these little gems. And then I've got my sentiments. Okay, so the last thing that I want to make sure that I have is some foam tape and some glue, because I'm going to do a combination of foam tape to glue to kind of make these work. So first thing I've got is this one right here. So I've got just a couple of like little candies I kind of want to put on here. So I'm going to put the candies down first, and I'm going to turn these in another video. I'm going to turn these in, I guess the next video after this one will be some tags. I'm going to turn these into really simple, easy tags. And so now this is actually amazing tape. This is Altenew. My only complaint with the Altenew tape is that it has a very low profile. So, which is great for like cards that you're going to mail. But if you want to use it for shakers, the profile is a little bit on the lower side. So you have to kind of like 3M tape. So you kind of have to like double up on it, which like isn't totally the worst thing, I guess. So for this one, I'm going to do the Have a Sweet Holiday Season. So, and then this one, I'll just put that right there. Okay, so there is my first embellishment done. So we'll do this one right here, which is, I'm going to do Gingerbread Hugs for that one. And then this one I'm going to prop up. And so super easy. And then we've got our sentiment right up here. So like if you are, like doing a swap, it's really great, I think, if to do something like this and then have all of your elements be just really similar, and then you're just kind of changing basically just colors, maybe sentiments, maybe, but the actual gist of it is very much the same, so go by really quickly. So and do Christmas calories don't count. This one. That. Okay, and now we're on to our last one that I'm going to be making for this video. Okay. And the warm winter wishes, I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Now we've got to figure out, so let's see, we've got gems and we've got enamel dots. So I'm going to go ahead and do some enamel dots. And I'll do, so there's one, and then this one right here. And there's two. And then this one we'll do there's three, and then here is the last one, and we will do oops, I don't want that. We'll do that like that. Okay, so here we go. These are my embellishments. Super cute and easy. Just use what you have. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Playing with the Heart.